guys, welcome back, and today we're playing Subway Surfers. And I used to play this game when I was in kindergarten. So, start playing. This game was made about around 2012. I started playing it. My sister found it, and I liked it. Then we all started playing it, and it was fun. We played it 24/7. Like 24/7. All day, every night. Like when we didn't feel tired at night, we would get our little tablet, and we would play. Like 24/7, mostly. Oh no, this guy's gonna catch me. So the rules on this game is that if you get hit, the guy that's behind me right now catches up to you. If you fall down and you get hit completely, then you get caught for spray painting and stuff. And I want to beat my world record. My record, at least. It's not a world record. It's a record that I have for myself. Top run for myself. Not really what I expect is to beat it, but I think I'm gonna beat it today at night. Oh no! Oh my god. Okay, I played this a little bit so I could show you my skills. It paid off. Good. Really good. It paid off my skills. I only missed it by 6,000. Not that bad. Top run. I'm not looking at the screen. I'm looking at the top run up there. I can kind of see the screen. I like need to jump and move that way. But top run is 4:13. Oh no, I wasn't looking. Did I die? I see I died. I feel really sad. If you watched my video that I just posted right now, I'm not gonna post this video right now, of course. I probably will. Oh no, this guy's catching up to me. This guy's catching up to me. Stop it. You better stop. I'm going to smack you with my box. I have a box. Beware. Oh no. I jumped over! The rage is real. I don't like these boards. They're dumb. So if I press double, I get a board. That looks cool, but no. It does not look good. How did he catch up to me? I'm on a board. I should just, skate off. Skirt off of it. How? Oh, I can jump. Ooh, this is cool. I like. Okay, now I got a box though. That gives me more money. I want to see who that guy with the thing is. Oh, this guy, fresh. Oh, 6 out of 50. Then we have him. He looks pretty cool. Ooh, I want this one. And there's this punk guy, Spike. He looks frightening. I wouldn't want to be with him. I have her. I want to get her, and I want to get her. I want to get him. I want to get you, because have you heard of the new movie It? Yeah. Stephen King. Why does he cost so much? He's so boring. King. I see, but this is not a king. This is Dracula. Lucy, emo now. Goth, I think. Emo or goth. Now she's a time traveler. Ninja. Still a ninja. Still a ninja. Still a robot. Oh, an athlete. Okay. She's just a zombie. In this California boy. California boy. Surfs up, man. Cali. Prince K. I see he's from Dubai. He costs that much? Dubaians are really the money. I'm gonna collect this reward. Just gotta get those 3 keys. I don't have anything else. I want to get new boards. Let's see the boards. I really like the teleport. Special powers. I don't like the jump, but I could use it. I don't know what to get. Oh, I don't know what to get. Oh, I don't know what to get. But I really want this one too. Yeah. I was about to press. Oh no. I'm gonna move. Oh, the ads. I hate the ads when I'm recording. They're the worst. Because, like, you're on YouTube, you're on a PlayStation or something, you're watching YouTube, then you scroll on top of somebody's video. It shows a clip. And whenever I record these videos on this app, if there's, like, an ad, it always shows it. Like, what's his problem? I don't want ads in my title or thumbnail. I don't want that. Where did that train come from? Did that disconnect from that train and then God give me those coins? I'm hungry for more coins and I need them because they are my life. And I am about to end this video. So I deleted the clip of Superbound Survival. And I wasn't sure if it uploaded because when I tried to upload it the first time, it didn't work because I uploaded 2 other videos, RIP Vine and Bicycle Kick, goal and soccer, FIFA. So it said it couldn't upload and I deleted it. And then I was like, if this doesn't upload, I'm gonna have to record it again because I don't have it anymore. I don't have the clips. Can't put them together. So I was just like, oh no. I made a mistake. I made a big mistake. But then it turns out it actually uploaded it. And I was happy. And yeah. Oh my god. Bush, get away from me. You look like a mushroom. But it's okay. I'm not judging you by the shape of your head. Oh my god, I'm about to beat my own run record. I beat my record. I'm literally beating everybody's record that is messing with me. Don't mess with me, boy. Don't mess with me, boy. Or girl. I don't know your gender. I will not assume your gender. Oh. I'm just like, how could this happen? Oh, I got 2 more coins. Hell, I don't care. This is my last try. Until I do the outro. I put the clip of the outro. Oh, shoot. Oh my god, I'm beating loads of people. Oh my. Oh my, Uncle Kate in that. Oh no! I made a mistake. Got nowhere to run. Guys, why? Oh my god, look at that button. It's covering his face. Goodbye. You're nothing. Bye. I'm not talking about you guys. You guys are everything to me. That guy right there with the hat. That guy. Let's go to the outro. This is the outro. Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.